Hi, it's Madonna here from New Leaf Natural Therapies. I had a client the other day chatting to me about the HCG program, and she was very anti it because she'd had several women at her workplace who have done it and who have been starving the whole time. Now, I've got to tell you, people should not be starving on HCG. Something is going wrong. I know several practitioners over the last few years who have changed the original way that Dr. Simeon did it. He spent 20 years working out this process. So when people go around and change it, it often, for a start, it worries me. What are people doing? Are they still within that 450 to 500 calories per day? Because that's crucial. Now, what happens, the reason you shouldn't be hungry is that the drops themselves, the HCG drops, are homeopathic HCG. That stimulates the hypothalamus in the brain to release brown fat. The brown fat should actually give you somewhere between 1,000 and 1,500 up to 2,000 calories worth of brown fat per day, which means you're not really running on 500 calories. You should be running on like 2,000 calories per day. So if you're starving, something else is going on. So basically, I always sort of look at someone and go, okay, well, how are you keeping your homeopathics? Are you keeping them in the fridge? Are you keeping them near microwaves? They're homeopathics. They've got to be treated very, very gently, and they've got to be looked after. So that's one thing. Secondly, are you taking the HCG drops randomly, or are you actually taking them systematically through the day? So the best way of doing it is, say, 6 a.m., midday, 6 p.m., or 7 a.m., 1 p.m., 7 p.m., so that you're taking them about 6 hours apart through the day. Third thing is, what is your body releasing on HCG? If your body is actually mobilizing insulin from your tummy fat, insulin can make you hungry. So therefore, you might actually need something, like I've got some favorite products, things like chromium and vanadium products and things like that, or purified zeolite products. So you need, you need something to help to sop up that excess insulin as it's being released, because if you're releasing hormones that are making you hungry, that's not because you're not getting enough calories. It's because the hormones being released from that fat deep within your body are actually making you hungry because they're not being sopped up and removed. So sometimes it can be an idea to support kidney and liver detoxification, or the bowels, making sure you take extra fiber, even in the form of because I'm thinking Metamucil. So things like Metamucil, but you don't want the ones that are sweetened with aspartame, because aspartame is one of those things that makes your fat cells toxic, which leads to diabetes down the track. So basically, if you're hungry, something's going wrong. Maybe you're accidentally having over 500 calories a day. Are you eating the leanest protein cuts? Are you having more calories because someone's told you it's okay? Are you, what's going on? We need to be within that 450 to 500 calories. Once you're up over 500 calories, that can stop the HCG from releasing brown fat. So therefore, just say you go, blow it, I'm hungry, I'm having an extra apple, and then you're up to 600 calories, you're really only running on 600 calories. If we eat 600 calories in a day, you want to chew your arm off. So it's one of those things where you've got to be careful. So when are you having your drops? Are you making sure you're getting in my world, the drops we use, it's 10 homeopathic drops 3 times a day, and it needs to be systematically about 6 hours apart throughout the day to make sure you have a constant release of brown fat into your bloodstream. Secondly, what are you actually releasing from that blood fat? From that fat, are you releasing emotional hormones? Can make you hungry as well. So if you're releasing emotional hormones, perhaps you need something like a 5-HTP product. And once again, I've got my favorite products like Relaxan, Resilian, Stressan. If the homeopathics are making you angry or weepy or anxious, there are specific things you can do. So shoot me an email about that and I can send something out to you. So there's plenty you can do, but don't take your fish oil capsules because it'll pop you up over. So what's your supplements that have calories in them? I'm very careful with powdered supplements on HCG. I make sure that powders are the lowest calories possible. I make sure that I use Bragg's aminos, because that's a no calorie soy sauce type product. You don't use oils in your cooking. You have to dry fry or water fry your things. Lots and lots of recipes available. You should check out Jaya John's Spice Kits on Facebook. She's got lots of recipes that she'll send you privately. Her spice kits are amazing. They have no additives or anything, and she just sells them to people, but she's made recipes that make your life enjoyable as well on HCG. It doesn't have to be a chore being on HCG. But good luck to you all, and I wish you all the best in finding your new happy, healthy self. Have a great day, and find me on all things Facebook. Shoot me a line at healthteam@newleafnaturaltherapies.com.au if you've got any questions, and make sure you subscribe on YouTube. See you later. Bye.